Hi, I'm Karaya and I want to share the story behind one of my favorite creations, the Gentle Glow Powder. I didn't always know what was best for my skin. I tried popular skincare brands and I always felt that it didn't really give me what I needed. I started cleansing with harsh Castile soap and it always left my skin feeling tight and stripped of moisture. And then to make things worse, I would follow up with a sugar scrub and thinking that I was making it better and helping my skin, but I was just tearing down my natural skin barrier. After that experience, I realized that I needed something different, something that could cleanse, exfoliate, and hydrate without causing more damage. And that's why I created the Gentle Glow Powder. This cleansing powder is for people who want clean skin and an even glowing complexion without harsh ingredients. I use kaolin clay to cleanse, papaya for gentle exfoliation, and aloe for soothing and hydration. I created Gentle Glow Powder because I wanted something that truly cared for my skin, and I know it can do the same for yours.